birthday.
Tina Faruqi.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Hi Siri.
After changing filter, real face came.
Wow, trailer was nice, right? Movie तो अभी बाकी है. Handsome. Looks like uncle. Siri, I have one question for you.
Ask.
What is the first thing you will do if you're born as a woman in the next year?
Die in the next month.
What? Siri totally forgot she's already a woman and we got coffee. Yay, let's brush and freshen up.
Hey, 1 minute coming. Yours 1 minute don't be done. See, I can see you. Hey, don't. Inside now. Come this side.
Yeah, your hand is ready.
Getting color nice, right? Do it now with the So I got to know why. Okay.
We just hope this owner will not charge us extra for, breaking the bed. We are just enjoying. And I couldn't, forget this song and remove it from my head. Sorekai. Sorekai kada?
It's sorted.
Sorekai.
ఒక వేస్ట్ ఫెలో చాక్లెట్స్ తెచ్చారు మన కోసం.
ఏది చూపించు.
All over from
All over from
which place? Mandalay.
USA.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Then in
Chocolates.
Masadi.
ఎలా ఉంది? M&M's Kit Kat. Oh, we totally forgot that we already received coffee and then we realized, yeah, come on guys, let's have coffee. It's gonna be cold, but it was really hot as it was in the flask. We didn't feel like it became cold or something. It was perfect and we could smell that coffee very strong. I never imagined that you can smell coffee so nicely. And also our friend bought some chocolates from US, so we decided to have it. And how is it?
It's very nice.
Hey, cheers kotandra. Babe. Cheers. Siri is saying, what kind of foolish people will say cheers with coffee? We should do it with beer. Okay, let's taste the coffee where byproduct is actually around their house. Bondi coffee. Product byproduct.
Whenever you're
Avunu
going,
snakes untai.
many people will wear boots and go.
Leeches had experience.
Big leeches also you have experience.
Not human leeches. She meant real leeches. People will do anything to take snap in the, what do you call, coffee estate. My friend is telling snakes are there, leeches are there. She's saying, I don't care, I want snap. So this is
Then tomorrow
our wonderful Gen Z generation.
Sirisha, R.I.P. R.I.P. Siri, we'll miss you.
2000. Go take some random videos yourself.
When everybody is enjoying, there's always one guy who is saying, you will love me or not, on the call. Hello baby, tell me, you love me or not? You tell me for sure. You love me or not, that's all. Girl with selfie pitchy. Girl with video pitchy. Girl with badakam pitchy. Wow, it's a butterfly, huh?
Cockroach అనుకుంటా.
Hey, no. It's a
But
butterfly.
it's not a butterfly. అంత చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది.
Chinna butterfly.
Yeah, every time why you calculate some maths in your brain.
Because I'm mathematician. Not right.
We're working in ML.
Oh, ML is about maths only, da.
Machine learning.
Yeah, machine learning.
Lifetime learning it is.
No, I remember learn from me. I'm not learning from me. Amazing.
Weather was so beautiful, and here only around 4 to 5 houses were there, and all around the hills it was looking so beautiful. And nature is really, mysterious, and it looks so amazing everywhere. Coffee estate, small house, it was really damn good. So we decided to take a small walk all around the place and explore houses. I really feel like houses are so beautiful that I will just take one house here and stay here itself, but don't know whether it will happen or not. Everybody is ahead. Sirisha is still there.
You know what I can write?
Yeah.
I don't know. You tell. It's cold.
Ravya. చెట్టు చూడు.
Police. Dog undi Siri. చూస్తుంది already. See? Dog is already seeing. I think అదోరా నిన్నే చూస్తుంది చూడు, నాకు స్ట్రైట్ ఉంది.
Can we have this?
Can we have this? Go,
She's asking dog, can we have this?
go from here. Sirisha. Go from here, take and come back.
He's calling us.
Sirisha, because of you. Oh my god.